perfect day at CocoCay. So we've arrived at CocoCay. This is September 9th, and we have a ship next to us, the Serenade of the Seas, and we are in CocoCay. Not a great view from the front of the ship here, from our balcony, but you can see people are already getting off the ship. CocoCay is a private island exclusively for Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. It is located in the Bahamas. General admission is free at CocoCay. However, certain attractions do charge a fee, such as the Thrill Water Park and some planned excursions, such as swimming with the pigs. Most restaurants are complimentary, with the exception of Captain Jack's, where there is a charge for a la carte dining. There are so many things you can do at CocoCay, such as the Thrill Water Park, Oasis Lagoon with swim-up bar, South Beach with family-friendly activities such as volleyball, basketball, snorkeling, paddleboarding. Chill Island Beach has jet skiing as well. The island also has a helium balloon that you can ride for a fee. They also have zip lining, and for the little ones, they have a splash zone at Splashaway Bay. It truly is the perfect day at CocoCay. The wave pool right now. It's gonna knock me over.
Not yet.
Ooh, they're going. Here it comes.
Definitely stronger.
Yeah, the waves.
The wave pool.
Smile, John. All right. Yeah, you gotta sit that way. There you go. All righty. We're in. Oh, it's gonna be a bumpy one, isn't it? Oh boy, you lie. I don't want to go backwards. I don't want to go backwards. I don't like it.
So what you doing, Tonya?
You filming?
Yes. How was your first water slide?
Crazy.
Crazy.
What was it called?
Slingshot.
The slingshot, yeah.
Why was it crazy?
I don't know. That kind of jerks you around. It was fun, but it does jerk you around. But if you want to go on it, it is a great time. And you don't go underwater. You will get a little wet, but you won't go underwater. So, it was fun.
Rookie.
It was fun though. Not as crazy as that Rapid River.
You like the Rapid River?
Yeah, in Nassau.
Atlantis?
Atlantis, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's good.
Yep.
A lot of fun.
Okay.
Last time I was physically there was just before I came here. Because again, I was with 3 guys from the academy, and I took the boat.
What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
Me trying to float?
It's the Loch Ness Monster.
What'd you say?
I said it's the Loch Ness Monster.
I thought it was Bigfoot.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah.